Tonight, a man in custody accused of driving through a Columbia Falls grocery store before crashing his vehicle and then running away. Columbia Falls Police Chief Clint Peters tells MTN News a man in his 50s drove his vehicle into Super One Foods around 5:30 tonight. After coming in through the front doors, the man then drove down an aisle to the back of the store, turned around and drove down another aisle. He then left through the front doors and crashed the vehicle across the highway from the grocery store. Peter says the man then ran away on foot, but he was eventually taken into custody near the Columbia Falls mini storage area. The man has not been identified. We should have more information about this sometime tomorrow. And despite what you're seeing in this video, no injuries were reported in this incident. Chief Peters adds that Columbia Falls residents immediately rallied to help clean up the store, which he says a lot about that community.